Hello everyone, I'm Ashlee and today I've got Neewer's flexible 512 LED panel. In this video I'm going to explain how to use this fantastic product from Neewer and show you some tips on how to get the best use. Let's begin by unboxing the product. Please ensure that you have everything before getting started. This includes the carry case, the fabric LED panel mat, the soft diffuser cloth, the diffuser case, the handheld grip, the wireless remote, the power supply, metal frame rods, and the manual. If you've got everything, you're good to go. Next, let's quickly dive into what this product has to offer. To start with, in the name, it's flexible, which means that you can easily bend and mold this product to your needs. You can even attach it to the top of your car. There are 512 super bright LED beads, which have a maximum power of 4500 lumens. The diffuser cloth eliminates all of the harsh light in your shoots, creating much better footage. As you've heard, it also comes with a very handy wireless remote control, which enables you to control up to 10 of these products at once. Lastly, this product gives you the ability to use it on a standard light stand if you wanted to. Or you could simply use the handheld grip provided. Side note, the light stand is not included. Right, let's begin setting this up. Firstly, let's piece together the metal frame rods. Connecting the elbows into every rod will easily create a rectangle. Simply push the metal button down and slide it into place. Once you've done all four sides, it will look like this. Now, let's attach the LED panel to the frame. Simply lay the LED panel down on a flat surface, bead side up, and align the metal frame in the air. Once you're in the correct position, simply press down to attach it to the Velcro. Attaching the diffuser works in the same way. Simply align it above the frame and press down to secure it into place. Now we can install the handheld grip. At the bottom of the frame you will notice a 1/4 inch screw hole. Simply align the two together and screw the handheld grip clockwise into place until it's secure. The next step is to give it some power. Using the power supply, plug the socket into your power source and the other end into the small square found on the back of the LED panel. Quick tip! There is a power button located on this cable to turn it on manually. Now I know you're all eager to go, but let's talk more about the wireless remote control and its functions. From the top we have the power button and then the display. In the center there is a channel setting button followed by two vertical strips. The left side allows you to change the channel up and down. The right side allows you to change the brightness up and down. Another quick tip, the right vertical strip buttons also allow you to turn the product on and off as well. The product is already paired to channel 1, so I can use it straight away. However, if you ever want to unpair and pair it back to another channel, then you can always use the manual for further instructions. You will also find a quick guide on how to pair multiple LED panels as well. Finally, just to show you the response rate, here's an example. I can easily turn the brightness from 10% to 50% within seconds. It's extremely fast. Thanks for watching and I hope this video has helped you. So what are you waiting for? Become a professional today with Neewer's flexible 512 LED panel.